Hi, this is Kayla Baker, and this is my presentation about the fireproof balloon. This is the balloon filled with air only. There's no water in it. And then this is the balloon with water in it. And I'm going to show the underneath, and then I'm going to show what happens without it touching the water. This is underneath, and there is water in the balloon. It will only burn, and there will be no popping. But if it touches the part with no water, it will explode. What happened? The balloon with air in it. The fire heated up the skin of the balloon until it weakened, causing it to pop. But when the fire was held against the balloon filled with water, the skin didn't weaken or pop. Why did it happen? The balloon filled with water doesn't pop because the rubber does not reach a temperature sufficient for it to melt or burn. The balloon with no water pops because the rubber stretches thin, causing it to heat quickly and transfer in the balloon. And this is my presentation on the fireproof balloon.